fluffies! As you may know, Mercator Antique Shop from Angelic Pretty is one of my favorites. Print and also mint is one of my favorite colors to wear. And today I'm actually unboxing Mercator Antique Shop in mint. So let's see if I'm super happy about it or if I like meh, like all the other dress that I thought I would love, but that I actually didn't. Let's see. So actually I have a couple more things to unbox with you today. And also let's start with this. You might recognize the pattern of Sweet Chocolate Journey. I won't open it all, but it has everything and the sky and everything. And this is for my studio to go on the windows. I don't know if you can see that. It has some pearly finish on it. It's very pretty, but I think it will be behind the window. I don't know if I will put it in front of the window or behind the window. Well, we'll see. But it will be on my windows since now in my new studio I'll have the blinds closed all the time to have no natural light and control all the light that I want. And then that means that right now it's kind of ugly to see through the window, so now I will be like I'm living inside of a wonderland that is actually from Fluffy Toys, so that, and also mint and pink like the studio. So that's perfect. This is one of the last thing I need to do in the studio, so I'm excited. So let's unbox the other small ones. So this one is from, it used to be called Mold's Design and now it's something else, pink something. I will write it down. It's actually a brand that I discovered at VidCon London, and this person tagged me or whatever, and I discovered her shop and it's amazing, and she had great earrings. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, it was completely broken, the package here and also here, and yeah, I kind of hope it's not damaged. Wow, oh my god. Okay, there's a letter. She also does a lot of socks, so that's very pretty. And okay, I'm shocked because I ordered earrings and there's a mask in there and it's gorgeous. And okay, let's read this. Thank you so much for your order, it means a lot. While COVID-19 continues to spread, we are including masks in every order. They are not 100% effective against the virus, but they do reduce risk. More info on it on our website. I hope you love your earrings. Thanks again. That's so amazing, thank you so much. So I really wanted the earrings, but I'm also super excited about the mask because I have two other masks that I had my friends sew for me, and they also have elastics and very not convenient to wear. So this one you can tie on the back and also it's reversible. You can do lavender or pink, you know which color I will choose basically. But it's amazing, thank you so much. I'm so shocked. Okay, let me see the name. Big Pig Boutique, this is it, bigpinkboutique.com, and they're in the UK and it shipped so quickly. I had some issue to pay because Switzerland was not in the list maybe, and by the time I told them I wanted to order and they sorted out, I think I got it like within the week. Really, it was amazingly quick. Thank you so much for your order. Give yourself a pat on the back for supporting a small business. Take some fire pics, tag us in them, and have a lovely day. Angel, lots of love. Big Pink Boutique. Awesome. I will definitely, because that's amazing. And oh my god, they are so pretty. So basically this is pearl shaped heart with a pink bow. This is gorgeous. And they're big, so they can be visible with a lolita cord in it. I love it. And they feel super sturdy. Yeah. I was afraid it might break easily, but they're very big. They're awesome. I'm so happy. And very cheap too, so definitely awesome. I highly recommend Big Pink Boutique in the UK. And they're super nice. And even though it was open and broken and nothing fell, so yay. Next is also something from my studio actually. It's garland, like flower garland. I had a nice garland for Christmas, and then when I removed it, you don't really see it, but on the back here over there, it's a little bit empty, and so I bought a flower garland. So, I don't know if I want to open it all, but it's flower and pearl, which is absolutely perfect for my studio. The pink is a different pink, but I think that's fine. And also it's LEDs and you can put batteries and it will light up. I think it's pretty cool. I will open it later and try it and show it to you because I'm very excited to have something more, cover more the backgrounds over there. Now I guess this is time to open the Angelic Pretty dress. So I actually bought it on a second-hand app from TaoBao. So it's a Chinese app. People call it the fish app. I don't remember the name exactly. I will put the name here. Basically, you can look by brand. If you write Angelic Pretty, for example, you will definitely see Angelic Pretty stuff. But if you want a special print, you have to find the name that the Chinese people call this dress, and it's not always like the translation of the real name. It might be like accents or stuff they see on their dress, and that's kind of weird. So thankfully I had Iris, also known as Jason, in my comments on YouTube helping me buy this dress, and it was a little bit complicated because I had to go through a shopping service. So it's from TaoBao. And it says, your merchandise has been carefully inspected by Amy Wong. Thank you, Amy Wong. So it's packaged like that. And so you cannot order directly. You need to go through a shopping service. And I think for this one particularly, I had to buy another dress. Okay, my god, it's here finally. Yay! Okay, so let's go through the other dress first. And, okay. So this is the bag they put it in. So they put it separately, like for Angelic Pretty. Okay, so I don't know why the seller specified that you had to buy another dress together if you wanted to buy this one. So I bought this one. Let's open it. Ooh. And I get a free clip that is red. Yay. Okay, probably I think that I will not fit in this dress. Might actually, I don't know. It's from Berry Q and size medium. No, probably not. I thought it was a pretty dress in case I can fit in, and I could always resell it because I had to buy it with the dress, with this one. But yeah, I don't know, it's very, very pretty. I don't know if I will love wearing this color, but it's a very casual dress. This would be perfect for like every day if you don't want to wear Lolita, but I think I cannot really fit in it. That's a shame because it's pretty, macarons and everything. So if I don't fit in it, you will probably find it in my lace market, so you can check out the link in the description for my lace market. Oh, and the dress, the macaron dress, actually doesn't fit. It's way too small here, like I expected. Usually I did not even try to close it because I cannot even pass my arm inside of it. So yeah, you will find it for sale on my lace market. So right now, that's funny because people usually ask me what is your ultimate dream dress, and I feel like I'm a stage in my Lolita career, wardrobe career, I don't know, that I have all the dresses that I thought I wanted, and I really, really love this print really much. Also, I love mint, and so now I'm actually collecting mint dresses, and this one was one that I really were looking for, but I was not like actively looking for. I have saved searches and everything. I have a whole video about that. Like, don't look every day for your Lolita dresses because you can set alerts everywhere that send you email when the dress show up. You don't have to go check every day. If you have the time, you can do that. Anyways, I was looking for that, but then I was not looking on that special app because it's really, really different, and we talked about that in a live stream with everybody in the live stream. And then this Iris said, I can help you find that dress if you want it, and then it was there, and it was a reasonable price. It was, I mean, expensive for Angelic Pretty, like 350 maybe, something like that, but normal price for this dress, and also normal price for maybe a little bit more expensive because usually the special sets are cheaper, but this is very rare, so that's normal. So basically the fabric is exactly the same. That's actually just pure luck that I'm wearing the same one today, really. So yeah, same fabric. Here's some kind of chiffon. I'm not that happy about this bright teal thing when the rest of the dress is a total different color, but it's a really grayish mint. It's not like the mint like actually this blouse, so it's a little bit more toned down, even though it's very bright and everything. I mean, not the color, but there's a lot of thing going on in the pattern, in the print. But yeah, the print is gorgeous as usual. That's interesting, because usually I feel like Angelic Pretty is not changing the tones on the print, and you can see that, for example, the unicorn hair is lavender here, and here it's more like a saxy gray. But yeah, some of the things have been recolored a little bit, and so I feel like actually some pattern here you can really see the print and all the details more than on the navy one. Actually, it's gorgeous. And you know, two of my friends, Lynn and Kelly, I think Lynn has the lavender one and the black one, and I think that Kelly has the maroon wine one. So between us, we have 5 colorways of that same dress, so that would be amazing to do something like a whole triplet thing, fifthlet, quintet, a whole quintet of wearing that. That could be exactly amazing. Well, okay, the front is different, but also it's a longer body, so I'm happy, and it's a full back shearing, so I have no doubts that it will fit, absolutely no issue. And yeah, it's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. It's a different cut than this one, but I'm pretty sure it will fit beautifully. Totally the kind of cut that is beautiful on my body. Be very careful with these buttons here, because they are super pointy, so they hurt under my nail already, and it might tear your blouse or anything else, or get caught in your hair or wig, so be really careful about these. I don't think that's the best thing here. And also for the waist ties here, maybe here it's okay, but they seem rounder here actually than here. Those are so pointy. Yeah, they're different. Like this one is smaller than this one, and those are rounder, and here it's really scratchy and pointy, so just be careful with these. Also, I feel weird that it's really smaller here, and it's attached by a really small portion instead of having attached it here. Anyways, I think it's fine. The set came with the head bow. It is very prettily shaped, like standing tall, and also it has the word pretty in the middle. I love it, and this is really a shape that I love. It is sewn on, so you cannot slide it on the side, it's only on the front, but super greatly shaped. And also the socks. I don't know if the socks will fit. They seem in a very good fabric, I don't know, and they're pristine. I love them so much. I love them, and actually I could have worn the socks today with this dress. Those socks would have been the perfect one actually. Yeah, so I'm so happy I got the socks. I love the Angelic Pretty socks, and it's so soft, and it looks like I can fit. Yay. So I guess now it's the time to try it on. Let's do it. So it's actually very comfortable, like I thought. It fits quite low. Usually my natural waist is here, but this is a longer torso that I could get in the Angelic Pretty dress, so I'm quite happy. They have 2 pockets. Yay! Waist ties also. And yeah, the lace is only limited here. There's no lace here or here, only trims. So that's fine, I guess. And the lace at the bottom is the chandelier one. It's a very pretty dress, and I like it, and I really like the contrast on it, and so yeah, fits perfectly. I'm absolutely delighted that I bought this dress. It's definitely a dress for me because it's my favorite print in my favorite colorway, so yay. And the socks also, I'm quite happy because they do fit. The design is a little bit stretched, but they're comfortable. I can bring them high enough. Overall, amazing, and the head bow is so pretty. Absolutely so happy about this dress. Like I coordinated quickly here with this gold lady sloth print blouse. It works well with the dress because of the dark gold on it that I tried to match with the blouse, but it's a very more classic and more toned down version of the suite that I usually wear, so it will be a challenge to see if I can do something brighter. Can I do it with pink? I don't know, but I can do coordinates with gold, white, navy, and also lavender. I don't have that many lavender accessories, but maybe with the lavender blouse that would be so pretty. So we'll see. I don't think I do have blouses in this mint. I think we can coordinate it even with the ivory, I think. Yeah, I think I can make pretty coordinates with this dress, maybe not bright pink, but I don't know. We'll see. So if you liked me unboxing this Angelic Pretty dress, I have a whole playlist of me unboxing other Angelic Pretty dresses because this is my favorite brand and I'm sure you want to see all that. So just click here and see you on the other side. Thank you so much for watching and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!